Welcome to my channel. Do you usually watch TV shows on Netflix or somewhere else?
Mostly on Netflix, but sometimes I watch on Hulu too. What about you?
I use Netflix and Amazon Prime. They have a lot of good shows.
Yeah, they do. I've been thinking of starting The Mandalorian on Disney Plus.
Oh, I've watched it. It's really good, especially if you like Star Wars.
I love Star Wars. I'll definitely check it out then.
You'll enjoy it for sure. The action scenes are amazing. I've seen clips of Baby Yoda. He's so cute.
Baby Yoda is the best part of the show. Everyone loves him.
I can see why. Do you have any other recommendations?
You should try Breaking Bad. It's intense but really well done.
I've heard it's one of the best shows ever. I need to watch it.
It is. The story and acting are incredible.
That's what everyone says. I'll add it to my list.
You won't regret it. Do you prefer comedies or dramas?
I like both, but I think I watch more comedies. They're just so easy to watch.
Same here. I love a good comedy after a long day.
Exactly. That's why I always go back to Friends. It's perfect for relaxing. Do you watch any animated shows?
Sometimes. I really like Rick and Morty.
Oh, that show is hilarious. It's so clever and funny.
Yes, the humor is so unique. Do you watch it too?
I've seen a few episodes. I need to catch up on the latest season.
You should. It keeps getting better and crazier.
I'll definitely watch more soon. Do you watch any old classic shows?
Sometimes. I've watched a bit of Seinfeld. It's still funny today.
Seinfeld is a classic. It's so timeless.
Yeah. It never gets old.
Have you seen The Simpsons?
Of course. It's such an iconic show. I love how they joke about everything, from pop culture to politics.
That's why it's lasted so long. Do you prefer shorter shows or long ones?
I think shorter ones. They're easier to finish. What about you?
I like shorter shows too, but sometimes a long series is nice if it's really good.
True. It's great when you can get really invested in a long series.
Exactly. That's why I love Game of Thrones despite the long seasons.
Oh, Game of Thrones was amazing. The ending, though.
Yeah, the ending was disappointing, but the journey was worth it.
Agreed. The earlier seasons were fantastic.
Definitely. Do you ever rewatch shows, or do you prefer new ones?
I rewatch Friends all the time, but mostly I like trying new shows.
Same here. It's fun discovering new stories.
Exactly. Have you heard of any new shows that are coming out soon?
I heard there's a new season of Stranger Things coming soon.
Really? I can't wait for that. I'll have to catch up before it comes out.
Yes, it's going to be exciting. I'm so glad we talked about TV shows today. I've got so many ideas now.
Me too. I've added a few shows to my list as well.
Awesome. Let's catch up again after we've watched some of these.
Definitely. We can compare our thoughts on them.
Sounds like a plan. I'll get started tonight.
Same here. Enjoy your shows.